Passive income is everything, or most of all once, in order to be able to cover our cost of living from passive income and be able to work and do what you love and you are passionate about, or just retire early without any kind of concern. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about different passive income ideas for this year 2022. Some that I have done and some that I will whenever I'm able to. First, I do have to say that in my opinion, there is no such thing as truly passive income. As to make money, you need money, and to get that money in the first place, you gotta work. But with time, we will be able to have an income that does not depend on our time, in which if I decide not to work today, no problem, because I will continue making money. Basically something that does not depend proportionally on the work we dedicate to it. Still, I'm a firm believer that even though it will convert into a truly passive income, with time you will need to dedicate some time every so often just to make sure that everything is going fine. The first passive income idea anyone can do, in my opinion, is YouTube. I say this because it is something I have tried, obviously, as you're watching this video on YouTube, and something I am very passionate about. This gives me the opportunity to have amazing sources of passive income other than AdSense. I do have to say that, in my opinion, YouTube is not 100% passive income. You need to do some research for your videos, film, edit, and post those videos, even though you can hire an editor and make it a little bit easier. But after the video is posted, you don't need to do anything else, and that video will most likely make money long term depending on the topic of it. Nowadays, I still receive comments on videos I posted back in 2020, meaning that those videos are still making me some money even though I have not done anything to them since the day I posted them. Still, I said it is not 100% passive income, as if you stop posting videos, your views will decrease with time, as the algorithm will stop promoting your videos, as it does not have any more new videos to promote. But if you are able to create a YouTube channel with great community and growth, you will be able to post videos whenever you want, wherever you want. You have seen how I have posted videos while I was in Miami, in Portugal, in Paraguay, Colombia, and more. The best thing about this passive income, in my opinion, is that it does not require much things. You just need a camera, which you can easily use your smartphone, as phones these days have an incredible camera. My first videos on this channel were filmed with an iPhone 11 Pro, and then I bought a camera once I got monetized in YouTube. Also, you need a computer, which you most likely already have one, to edit most of your videos. Still, even though I don't make much money from AdSense yet, as the much I have made in a month has been like $500 or even $800, which is why this is not my full-time thing yet, it gives me the opportunity to also generate money from other type of passive incomes, which would be the second passive income I want to talk about, and this is affiliate marketing. I'm not going to talk much about it, as I assume you guys already have heard about this in many videos before. But basically, there are different types of affiliate marketing. One of them is the one I use, which is what I post a link in the description below about Robinhood, Webull, M1 Finance, Voyager, and more, in which if you open an account with them and deposit $100 in several of them and follow their steps, you and I will be able to generate an amount of money. For example, M1 Finance will give us both $50, Voyager $50 and Bitcoin, and so on. Another very popular way is Amazon, which if you talk about a product on any video, you can post a link from Amazon about that product and you will make money as long as someone clicks on that link and buy anything on Amazon. There are different ways, and have to say that this is, in my opinion, a truly passive income, as you don't have to do anything other than talk about that product or service and just post the links in the description below or in any of your social medias, or maybe create a blog in order to post links. One very popular passive income nowadays is cryptocurrencies, which would be idea number 3. Either with a mining rig or staking, or simply earning interest by holding your crypto or by lending your crypto. I have to say that I'm still analyzing all these options to start with one or maybe two of them. I can say these are truly passive income once the rig, for example, is built up and working. The most you have to do is check it once in a while, do some maintenance, and that is all while you continue gaining crypto on a daily basis. While staking or earnings interest, it is fully passive income, as you have nothing to do other than have some money on crypto invested and then put it on any of these platforms. I do have to say that mining does have a high electricity cost, and depending on where you are from, maybe Wi-Fi cost might increase. Most Wi-Fi plans are flat, but there are some countries, like in mine, where companies give you about 600 gigabytes of Wi-Fi, and after that you will need to pay a certain amount of dollars per gigabyte spent. When I talk about lending crypto, it is a passive way of earning interest on your crypto investments, as many peer-to-peer lending services allow you to lock up your cash for a certain amount of time in order to get interest payments later. I do have to say that you need to be aware of scams in the crypto world, because there are a lot of them that will be more than happy to steal all your money. So if you decide to buy a mining rig, be sure to whom are you buying it from, and if you are looking to stake or lend your crypto, be sure to use the best platforms and most secure ones. If you want, I can upload a video analyzing some of them and giving my personal opinion about them, but I will have to try them all before. The next passive income idea is one of the most popular ones, and this is by investing in real estate and renting it out on Airbnb or a normal lease. Obviously, this is a passive income that requires more money than the rest that I just mentioned, as you need at least have enough money to put as down payment for the mortgage, and also be able to pull out a nice mortgage, which means that you need to have a nice credit score and a nice credit history. Real estate investing can be a hassle sometimes, as some of my Discord group chat members have told us. I've also seen how beneficial it could be if it is done right. But if you don't have that much money yet, like me, I can't buy real estate right now, even though it is my dream, as I am still saving for it and studying about it. There are some apps that will let you invest in real estate through them, which I have not tried them out yet, as I prefer to invest in the stock market while I save money. But if that is something that you are interested in, there are some nice apps out there that could be very beneficial for you in the short term, while you save money to be able to buy properties in the long term. Next idea is to create a digital product, such as a book, a course, merch. Even if you are a photographer or something like that, and you know how to edit videos or photos, you could create some templates and sell them. Create wallpapers on a phone or computer and sell them as well. Something that once you uploaded it and make it public, you will not need to do anything else other than check the website is working more than fine. And then forget about it while you are able to make money doing nothing from it. I can't say I have done this, as I don't have a course nor a book, but I for sure know of many people and even more YouTubers that have it, and it is completely passive income. Obviously, you have to put in some work by creating the course or writing the book or creating the templates or wallpapers. Once you are done, if you created something beneficial to people or something attractive that will get very popular, it will turn into a passive income for you. I know there are way more passive income ideas, but once you start with one, master one, you will get into a cycle that will want to find another one and another one until you're able to have enough of them that will cover your living expenses, which in my opinion, it is what we all have been working for, to be able to have an income that is enough to pay our living expenses and fixed costs that does not require a lot of time each month, so we can be able to focus on working on what we like, we love, and we're passionate about. Or even just enjoy life, family, and travel, as believe me, it is something we have learned from the pandemic. Life is short and we need to find the way to enjoy it as long as we're able to. Hope you enjoyed these kind of videos. Let me know in the comment section below. Let me know if you would like a video on side hustles that I have tried, such as reselling Yeezys and more. Thank you, and see you next time.